Hey guys, James from SIKKY Manufacturing. If you have an LS Swap 240 or you're looking to upgrade your clutch master cylinder, we've got just what you need. Let's take a closer look. This is the SIKKY T56 and T56 Magnum clutch master cylinder kit designed to be a plug-and-play bolt-in solution for S13, S14, and S15. Because the factory 240SX master cylinder is not sized properly for the GM slave cylinder, this upgrade is a necessity. This kit comes with everything you need for a painless installation. This CAD-designed billet CNC aluminum adapter bracket bolts to your firewall and adapts this to the Wilwood bolt pattern. The kit also includes two stainless braided lines with a durable nylon coating. This particular line is your bleeder line. It comes with a stainless steel bracket that's designed to bolt to the outside of your T56 or T56 Magnum transmission. This particular line is the feed line from your clutch master cylinder to your clutch slave cylinder. This fitting fits in the slave cylinder like OEM, while this end connects to the master cylinder. A great benefit of the SIKKY bleeder line is it's bled external of the bell housing, unlike the factory system. It also comes with this convenient nipple for a mess-free bleed. This high-quality Wilwood master cylinder is sized perfectly for factory GM and upgraded slave cylinders. This whole package comes with everything you need for your clutch hydraulic system, including this high-grade hardware and fittings. To pick up yours, log on to sikky.com or get in touch with one of our knowledgeable sales reps today.